What's up, guys? Master Camera here, Mr. Shaw. Can you see Mr. Shaw?
What's up, guys?
Right there. All right, we are going to show you how to use the meeting once you're actually in there. So let me take this over here real quick so you can see. Let me bring it a little closer because my phone's plugged in. Okay, so you can see right here. Okay, so the video is already on. There's this little thing on here for unmute. I don't want you guys using that. So we can unmute you and we can hear you when we want you to. But I want you to keep that unmuted because it might be kind of crazy if there's a lot of people online. There might be a lot of background noise. So please don't unmute yourselves. Wait till we unmute you, okay? This stop video, for any reason you don't want, you need to stop the video, you can click this so that you can't see, so we can't see what's going on for a little bit. If your parents say you need to do that or something like that, or you feel like you need to do something, you can do that and then you can turn it right back on. Just like that, right? Okay, as far as other things are concerned, we don't really want you interacting with this very much. We just want you to use it just like as if you were in class, right? If you're in class, if you want to get water, what do you have to do?
You gotta ask for water.
You gotta ask for water. You raise your hand, hey, can I go get some water, right? If you want to use the bathroom, you don't just leave, you ask permission, hey, can I use the bathroom, right? Things like that. I don't want you just going out of the room and coming back in whenever you want to, okay? This is a normal class. You're with everybody else. We can all see you on the monitors over here.
We have the projector up and running.
The projector up.
Just in case we're not looking at it, or the instructor handling the computer's can't see it, flail around until we do look at you and you get our attention.
Exactly. So we will see you during class. So if you're moving in June B, you're going to get push-ups, things like that, right? Other than that, I think that's pretty much it. When we bow in, it's going to be, see the flags over there? You got the flags up there. Okay, when you bow, you'll do the same thing like you normally do. So look, Mr. Shaw, go set that up over there real quick. And you'll see right here. So he's set up like that-ish.
Don't fall, don't fall, don't
fall. Don't fall. Here, put it right here.
I know what I'm going to do.
Right there. Okay, cool. So he sets up the phone. So this is kind of how you'll set it up, right? So you'll set it up over to the side like that. Okay, you'll set your phone up, or your laptop, or your iPad up against something like that so that you can set yourself over like where Mr. Shaw is. Back up a little bit more, Mr. Shaw. Right there, right? So you back up a little bit like that so that we can see you actually do karate moves, right? So basic form number 1, ready, go. Right, so he starts doing that, right? You can see he's going through his form, and we'll be able to see you do all of this, right, like that, okay? And then, oh, Mr. Shaw, get in a better front stance, come on, dude, right? Things like that, okay? So you'll set it up like that. Make sure you're in a spot where you can, make sure you're in a spot where you have enough room. So whether that's your backyard, maybe that's your living room, maybe that's somewhere else in the house that has room, right? Go to a spot where you have some room to be able to move around and do some karate. Maybe you have to move a table, move some chairs or something like that. Try to find a good spot to do it. And then anything else, Mr. Shaw? Am I missing anything?
Not that I can think of.
No, I don't think so either. Okay, perfect. So if you have any other questions, let us know, and then we're going to be starting this tomorrow. So for Monday's classes, if anybody wants to stay home because of what's going on in the world today, then go ahead and stay home and log in from home, and you can get your training in online. Okay, cool. Tong Su.
Tong Su.
All right, cool.